What have happened? My name is Jenny Martinez, Manuela Beltrán University, sixth semester Business Administration. We were last year we set a trip with your family. We were consuming uncles, grandparents. The idea was to you and the meet and you. The problem is to agree to so many people for the meals, among other things. Although I do not regret traveling with my family is complicated issue. We found a restaurant on outskirts of Villavicencio with large pool and very good. We started to discuss the activity, gave them two options to choose, and so we came in agree share at the and we enjoy the trip. We meet a new city and we share a family. I thought that sharing with the family the most important thing. Other is a bit of the dreaming. Topping is reaching, and I will not change anything. Thank you.